All right, so I'm going to show you how to pay your annual franchise tax for an LLC. So this is the website for California Franchise Tax Board.ca.gov, ftb.ca.gov. You're going to go here to pay, okay? And you're going to make, you can make a payment. Either of these are the options. I'll just do a bank account, okay? And this is for LLC. This is for a business. Now, this is assuming you don't have an account. So we're just going to go here and pay the business, okay? Entity type, LLC, all right? And I'm just gonna pull one from, this is a random one, random LLC, and R9, and my name, just for the heck of it, put your name, of course. All right. This is actually not the contact. And right here, annual tax payment form, hit continue. Okay, and let's say this is March 5th, 2021, and I need to pay for 2021. So we'll go 21st, ending December. Okay, $800, and we'll just put today's date. Okay, continue. Okay, there's a problem here. Oh, so they like that. All right, and so this is where you're gonna put some banking information here, okay? And just take it forward all the way to the end and make sure you save the receipt. If you need to pay for other years, go ahead and do this process again for the other years. Now, let's say you are behind several years and maybe it's franchise tax board suspended, okay? So if you know you owe the $800 a year, if you're not working with a CPA or tax professional, you want to confirm with them first. But you want to think about just, if you know you owe it, go ahead and just pay the $800 for the years that you owe so that you're not accruing additional tax and penalties, because those things like a snowball and they keep accruing. So you need to revive it, and you need to pay it. Go ahead and just pay for those years so that your taxes and penalties are minimized. Okay, so for those years, same process here, and help you get out of suspension a little bit faster. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. This is Dan. If you need more help, contact your tax professional or reach out to our office to help find out how much exactly that you owe.